So actually 2 years ago I had a big heartbreak and my brother was serving here. So he was the one telling me to come for a 10 days silent retreat. Yeah, and I just jumped on the occasion and it was, I think, the best 10 days of my life. Seriously, just discovering this stillness. Since that I fell in love with Hridaya and I had this in my mind and I really wanted to come back, but I was just waiting for the right time to come. So I'm serving in the kitchen here since 4 months. It's actually an amazing place to practice everything that we learn during the satsang. I love when sometimes we make moments to just stop what we are doing because we have a schedule, of course. We need to serve food at a certain time, so we are in a rush sometimes, and just to take this time to stop and step back and come back in the heart. So that's a little practice that I really enjoy there. So what I love the most about the Sangha here is that we are so many and everyone coming from all around the world and from different age, different culture, and we still find a way to connect and to make actually friends for life. I'm so grateful for everyone that I met during my time here. So every morning we have a morning meditation, that is pretty early for me. I love it. It's not always so easy for me to wake up, but it feels just the right thing to do. I feel amazing after it. And it's a discipline to get, and now I could really see the difference if I'm not going to meditation. And on the side I just finished the module 1. That was intense 3 weeks, lots of discovering and learned so much purification. And since that I built up a tapas on the side that is helping me keeping this inner fire. Yeah, I could see myself changing so many layers, so many identification that I had, and that was blocking me. It was once again one of the most beautiful things I've done for myself and for others, and I can't wait to go further into the modules. For the Sangha, for everyone that make the Sangha, for the teachings that is so accessible, and to be here with my brother, to walk this path together and just growing up together. It's so precious for me.